Okay, bababa tayo guys.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today is our day 2 here in Tokyo, Japan. By the way guys, our hotel is called Appa Hotel Sugamo, and ang ganda ng location kasi walking distance lang siya from the JR station and also yung metro subway. So kahit may dala kayong luggage, hindi talaga siya hassle. So you guys can watch our hotel review. I'll just include the link in the description box below. So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa JY or JR Yamanote Line, and we are going to Shinjuku. So, ang bilis lang ng biyahe from Sugamo to Shinjuku because it's just one train ride away. So, tip lang guys, if maghahanap kayo ng accommodation, try to get or book hotels na malapit dun sa Green Line or sa JR Yamanote Line. So welcome to Shinjuku, and this is our first stop for today. Grabe, ang daming tao, pero ang saya ng vibe. Parang ang dami mong pwedeng gawin dito, like shopping, kumain, or kahit yung walking lang.
Tara, sa Gio muna. Andun nga lang. Paano tayo tatawid dun, Mi?
For our next stop, we need to go to GU, and GU is actually Uniqlo's sister brand, and the brand name was actually derived from the Japanese word GU, which means free and unconfined. O, diba? May pa-trivia. Finally, we got our heat techs and puffer jackets from GU, and it's super budget friendly. So, kung pupunta kayo ng Japan guys, make sure that you check out GU. Okay guys, so for our next stop, it's ramen time. And isa to sa mga gusto talaga naming itry dito sa Japan. So, famous is the Ichiran Ramen. So, we search a branch here in Shinjuku. So, meron ditong Ichiran Ramen which is located in Kabukicho area. Titikman na natin yung sikat na Ichiran Ramen, and then we'll see kung worth it ba talaga siya. So guys, we're still here in Shinjuku area. Naglibot-libot lang kami, and hindi ka kasi mapapagod dahil malamig yung weather. Kaya ang sarap mag-ikot-ikot dito, and also naghanap kami ng mga spots where we can take pictures of the autumn leaves. guys, nakita na namin yung famous na 3D cat dito sa Shinjuku. So, parang mas maganda siya kapag sa gabi kayo pumunta kasi mas litaw na litaw talaga siya sa screen. Guys, we're still trying to find the Ichiran ramen. And of course, when you are in Japan, expect mo na talaga na madaming lakaran. We're still trying to find Ichiran ramen here in Shinjuku area. And nakakatuwa talaga maglibot dito guys kasi ang daming shops and maaaliw ka talaga sa mga nakikita mo. So, malapit na tayo guys kasi nakikita na natin yung Hotel Gracery. So, sa Hotel Gracery, nandito yung famous na Godzilla statue. So, maraming nagpupunta dito para magpa-picture. Masaya talaga guys paglakad-lakad dito sa Japan kasi ang ganda ng weather. Hindi siya ganun kalamig and of course hindi talaga siya mainit kasi autumn season nila to.
Godzilla, babe. Ayun, kasama yung Hotel Gracery. Okay. Doon na, saan dito? Gilid lang tayo. Wait lang.
Ayan na guys, si Godzilla. Nakikita nyo ba? Bumubuga yan ng laser. Pero may oras lang. Finally, we found the Ichiran Ramen here in Kabukicho. And this is just near Hotel Gracery. So, bago kayo makarating dun sa Godzilla na statue, turn left kayo. So, we arrived here guys mid-afternoon. That's why hindi pa ganun talaga kahaba yung pila. And here, we had to wait for our turn. So, antayin natin, tawagin tayo ng server bago tayo pumasok. So, ayan na, pasok na daw tayo. So, first is, kailangan natin mag-order dito sa kiosk nila. And, syempre, kailangan natin i-order yung pinunta natin dito, which is yung ramen. So, sakto guys, hindi pa tayo nagla-lunch. So, order tayo dito ng nakakabusog kasi kanina pa tayo naglalakad. And very straightforward yung pag-order dito sa kiosk nila guys. Very easy lang.
Yeah, tapos swipe. Pwedeng IC card. Wait lang, credit card.
Credit card.
Tapos contact.
Contactless. Yan, pinipasa mo lang. Yan.
Ano ba?
Season stock video.
After we have ordered dun sa kiosk, so yung attendant, binigyan niya tayo ng order sheet. So dito, kailangan natin i-fill out yung mga preference natin when it comes to the noodles, the soup, and then the meat. After we have filled out the form, kailangan na natin itong ibalik sa attendant. So, dyan sa order sheet, guys, meron dyang chef's recommendation. So, for example, hindi nyo alam kung ano yung pipiliin nyo dun sa order sheet, then might as well go with the chef's recommendation. So, once you have filled out the form, kailangan nyo lang siyang ibalik dun sa attendant and then wait for your turn to be seated.
Arigato.
Now, it's time to eat and we finally got our order. So, yung soup pala nila dito guys, ang thick. So, alam mo talagang matagal siyang pinakuluan. And then, nung time na nilapag ng server yung order ko, amoy na amoy mo talaga yung ang bango talaga. So, kapag gutom ka, mas lalo kang magugutom. So, yung noodles, gusto ko rin kasi based naman siya sa preference ko na sakto lang yung ayaw ko yung overcooked. Overall guys, masarap siya, nabusog kami and worth it naman talaga yung punta namin dito. Okay, so eto guys, may bloopers pa ako kasi sumabit yung bag ko dun sa zipper ng jacket nung isang kumakain dun. So sumabit ako dun, nakakahiya. So, ayan, labas muna tayo. So, ang haba na ng pila kasi pa-dinner na kasi yung oras na to. So, buti na lang pumunta kami dito mga mid-afternoon. Hindi pa ganun kahaba yung pila. Kasi napupuno talaga to guys. So, hanggang sa taas talaga yung pila. So, busog na kami and then we're ready to go to our next destination.
Yung Alice in Borderland.
In Japan pala guys, mabilis talaga siyang dumilim, like 4 PM or 5 PM pa lang, parang gabi na doon. So, tip lang, kailangan kapag gagala kayo, agahan nyo kasi mabilis kasing dumilim dito. Okay, so balikan na lang natin tong Shinjuku at night. Anyway, marami pa naman tayong time. So, just a quick tip para sa mga gusto mag-travel dito sa Tokyo. Get the Tokyo Subway 72-hour pass. Super worth it, lalo na kung marami kayong gustong puntahan in 3 days. Now, yung pass na to, it allows unlimited rides sa Tokyo Metro and Toei Subway lines only, which is good for 72 hours. So, we bought this one from Agoda, but for you guys, you can also book it from Klook. So guys, balik muna tayo sa hotel because it's just one train ride away from Shinjuku going to Sugamo Station using the JR Yamanote line. So, mag-freshen up lang tayo and then we'll go to Shibuya next. Now we're headed to Shibuya and let's take the Tokyo Metro subway. Since meron na tayong unlimited pass, just make sure na i-take note ninyo yung first use nyo kasi doon magsisimula yung 72 hours. So, one of the best things doon sa hotel na binook namin is 10 steps away lang yung Tokyo Metro subway. So, sobrang lapit lang guys. So, we're taking the metro going to Shibuya Crossing.
Tapos ang baba natin.
Tameke Sanyo Station. Walk about 1 minute, tapos transfer tayo sa Ginza.
So, yung pag-transfer ng line guys, masaya siya na nakakapagod kasi para kayong nagte-treasure hunting. So guys, we took the Ginza line going to Shibuya Station, and expect nyo na maraming tao talaga sa train, especially during peak hours. So I think time check here is 8 p.m. and marami talagang sumasakay ng subway. So that was our first time using the Tokyo Metro Subway Unlimited Pass, and it's super easy. Now, we're here in Shibuya and kailangan lang nating maglakad papunta dun sa Shibuya Crossing. And finally, we are now here in Shibuya Crossing. So finally, nandito na tayo sa Shibuya. Ito yung iconic na scramble crossing. Sobrang dami ng tao pero ang organized pa rin. So ang daming pwedeng puntahan dito guys, like souvenir shops, meron dito yung Hachiko statue. Ang saya and super lively yung area. Perfect talaga pang end of day. Ang saya dito guys kasi nag-aabangan ng kung kailan magsa-stop and go, and then pagka nag-stop na, sabay-sabay tatawid and then lahat kukuha ng picture. So kaya naman pala guys, ang daming tao kasi nga pabalik-balik lang din naman yung mga tao sa pagtawid ng pedestrian. So which is, yun din yung ginagawa namin dito. So ang tagal namin dito kaya ang dami naming kuha dito sa Shibuya Crossing. By the way guys, yung Hachiko statue is located siya left side kung saan kami nakatayo ngayon. So minsan mahaba din yung pila and you need to wait in line to get a picture, solo picture with Hachiko.
Saan ka? Guide mo ako.
And that's a wrap for our day 2 here in Japan. So from Shinjuku going to GU, Ichiran Ramen, taking the subway going to Shibuya Station. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you are enjoying our Japan vlogs. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next vlog.